In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Silex. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to the right page and start a secure sign-in using GitLab, which is the authentication method Silex relies on for access. First, open your preferred modern web browser on a reliable internet connection. In the address bar, type silex.me and press enter. You may be redirected to v3.silex.me/en, which is the current interface for Silex. Before you proceed, take a second to confirm you're on the official site by looking for the secure padlock icon in the address bar and checking that the domain is correct. This simple check helps keep your account safe and prevents accidental visits to lookalike pages. If the page takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds. The app may initialize some resources the first time you visit. Once the Silex page loads, you'll see sign-in options. Locate and select the option labeled gitlab.com. Choosing this option tells Silex to authenticate you through GitLab, a trusted identity provider. After you click, you'll be briefly redirected to GitLab to complete the standard secure sign-in flow. If you're already signed into GitLab in the same browser, you may be returned to Silex automatically. If you're not signed in, you'll be guided through GitLab's usual process, and when that's finished, you'll land back in Silex, ready to work. A quick note about what to expect. This handoff to GitLab is normal and is designed to protect your credentials. You won't enter any passwords on Silex itself. The entire authentication is handled by GitLab. When the sign-in completes, you should see the Silex interface load with your workspace, which confirms you're in. If things don't go as expected, say the page doesn't move forward after you click gitlab.com, try refreshing the page, ensure cookies are enabled, and confirm that any strict content or pop-up blockers aren't interfering with the redirect. Switching to an up-to-date browser or trying a private window can also resolve caching issues that occasionally block sign-in. Network firewalls in corporate environments may delay the redirect. Waiting a moment or trying a different network can help in that case. For convenience, consider bookmarking v3.silex.me/in so you can return to the sign-in screen quickly in the future. And as a good security habit, avoid staying signed in on shared computers. Keeping your browser updated will improve both performance and compatibility with the Silex login flow. That's all there is to it. Go to silex.me, then choose gitlab.com, and let GitLab handle the rest securely so you can get straight to building.